Hi everyone, this is Cooking with Kurt. Today, my husband Donald and I are going to show you how to make humba, which is a Filipino-style braised pork belly.
This recipe was requested by Maria Cebuana. Thanks so much for your request, Maria. We hope you like this video. To start, take 2 to 3 pounds of pork belly and slice them into 3/4 inch thick pieces. Take a large pot, fill it halfway up with water, and bring it to a boil over high heat. Add in the pieces of pork belly and let it come to a boil. Starting the timer when the water starts boiling, let the pork pieces blanch for 2 minutes. Then immediately drain the pork into a colander, getting rid of the blanching water, and rinse the pork with cold water to remove any residual scum from the blanching process.
Take a wok or a skillet if you don't have a wok, and heat over medium-high heat. Add in 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. When the oil is hot, add in 4 cloves of garlic that's been crushed, and saute for 1 minute till the garlic is lightly browned. Add in 1/4 cup of dark brown sugar, let the sugar melt slightly, then add in the blanched pork pieces. Saute the pork for 2 minutes till the pork pieces are lightly browned. Turn the heat down to medium-low, add in 2 cups of water, 1/4 cup of Sautéing cooking rice wine, 2 tablespoons of white vinegar, 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 2 bay leaves, and 1 tablespoon of whole black peppercorns. Cover with a lid and let it come to a boil. Gently simmer on medium-low heat for a total of 1 hour. Removing the lid and stirring every 15 minutes or so to ensure even cooking and that pieces don't get stuck to the bottom. Replace the lid after stirring. After 1 hour, the pork pieces should be tender. With the lid off, turn up the heat to the highest level. Let it boil vigorously over very high heat while constantly stirring to reduce and thicken the sauce. This will take another 10 minutes uncovered on high heat. And there it is, humba, braised pork belly. Serve this over freshly steamed jasmine rice. Ang sarap.
Yum.
So good. The pork is perfectly soft and tender.
And I love the balance of salty, sweet, and sour. So good.
Thank you so much for watching. Please let us know in the comment section below if you're planning to make humba. Send us pictures of your dishes on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, links below. And if you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Cooking with Kurt.
And don't forget to click on the bell so you get notified when we post new cooking videos. And for our written recipes and more, be sure to check out cookingwithkurt.com.
Maraming salamat!